Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Connect. This is a short wheelbase, 5-doored small van in black. This does come with 22,500 miles upon the clock. It comes with Bluetooth, heated seats, cruise control, air conditioning, hands-free cooling as well, and also voice assist. We have 2.5 cloth line seats in here, so you can fit up to 3 people in here. A 6-speed manual transmission. Just here, this is a diesel fuel type vehicle. So you can just see on the inside just there. This does also come with parking sensors, and just to show you into the load area as well, you can see it is interior lit, ply lined as well, and cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry. I will also just show you this again from the back. This van is also fitted with a double locking mechanism as well, just to keep that load in the back extra secure as well. And may I also draw your attention to a pristine, unscratched and undented bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this van in particular, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, type that reg in just there, or if not, you can head down to our site in Padworth to discover more about this van or many other similar ones as well. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully see you here soon.